Now today, let's start with chapter number 2, the Northern Plain. In this chapter, we will study about Northern Plain. It lies in the area of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and your area. Like we had different areas that cover under the Northern Plain. Now, the Northern Plain in India is one of the most fertile plains of the world. The soil of this plain is alluvial. It is very fertile. It is formed by weathered deposit and the soil is renewed every year. And the plain is extended from 2500 km from the Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. And the plains are wide. If you will see, the plain area, they are wider in the west and narrower in the east. The plains form 3 river systems in this, Ganga and the Brahmaputra. First of all, let's talk about Indus. The Indus river rises from Mount Kailash in Tibet and passes from the Himalaya before it joined various tributaries. The 5 main tributaries are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. So, the 5 rivers, Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum flows through Punjab, and the word Punjab means land of 5 rivers. The river basin is an area drained by a river and its tributary. Like if we talk about Satluj, basin is mainly in Indian territory. Major part of remaining in this basin is in Pakistan. Kahan lie karta hai? Pakistan mein lie karta hai. Now we have Ganga river. It is the most important river of Northern Plain. It rises from Gangotri glacier and enters into the plains at Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Before reaching Haridwar, it is joined by Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Mandakri in the upper course. Now, the most important tributary of Ganga is Yamuna, which joins at Allahabad, and the meeting place of these 2 rivers is known as Sangam. Now, Yamuna is joined by Chambal, Betwa, Kane river in the south, and the main tributary of the Ganga joining it from north are Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. The river Son joins it from the south. The river Ganga and its various tributaries flow through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. And we have many religious centers over here like Haridwar, Allahabad, Varanasi. They are situated on the bank of Ganga river. What are these? These are famous religious centers of Hindus. So, Kumbh Mela, which is held in Allahabad after every 12 years. Lucknow is situated on the bank of Gomti river. If we talk about Lucknow, it is situated on the bank of Gomti river. And Delhi and Agra, they are situated on the bank of Yamuna river. And Kanpur and Patna, they are situated on the bank of Ganga river. These rivers arise from Himalayas. They are fed by snow. Then we have Brahmaputra basin. The river Brahmaputra rises in the western Tibet and flows for a long distance through Himalaya outward the east. In Tibet, it is called Sangpo and it stands to the south and southwest and flows through the valley of Assam. It flows through Bangladesh, and the Brahmaputra basin is very narrow. It is surrounded by some of the hills of northeast. The river Brahmaputra flows through region of heavy rainfall and therefore it is often get flooded during rainy season. And here there is a heavy damage of life and property. The river Ganga and Brahmaputra join together in the lower course and form the largest delta in the world, which is called Sundarban Delta. In a delta, the river divides itself into various channels called distributary and form a triangular shaped region which is full of sediment. And where do your Sundarban lie? It lies in the Bangladesh. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra fall into Bay of Bengal. The water of these rivers is getting polluted nowadays. Why? Because people throw a lot of urban industrial waste. And the government has taken up steps like Ganga Action Plan to maintain the purity of its Ganga. Now we have done with this chapter. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.